go down to the pond and try some underwater. We'll check the audio and video and see how that works. I know CJ over at Chick Happens just posted he's gonna post a nice underwater video soon. So check him out if you haven't seen it yet. He got some nice bass and stuff on there. Well, let's see what we can do here. Okay, a couple things to note here. We've tried this many times trying to get decent pond footage underwater with our older GoPros, and we've never had one as good as this. Now granted, the water is pretty clear right now for a pond, but I'm pretty impressed. But the other thing I read that you're going to see here in a second in the GoPro manual, one of the upgrades is they have a special lens coating so that when you come in and out of the water, A, it doesn't fog up or not as much, and B, it doesn't have like droplets on it. So let's pull it out of the water and go back in, and you'll see, well, if it fogs or if there's any droplets on the lens. Oh, well, we'll see how that went.